If we were to scale 0 to 10, I will scale 9, we'll say the implementation is successful. Sales forecast is one of the main important things. And then when the sales forecast is done, and production planner will plan the schedule accordingly.
Before that, if let's say we talk about the compilations for the data, it may take days and even weeks. But right now, I believe it's within 5 to 10 minutes we can have the compilations to be done.
之前的话，我们慢 encoding normal 要1个星期多，现在可以3天多就可以 settle 了。
Sebelum ni semua manual, sampai line dah stop baru tahu material shortage.
I think all facing the same problem lah. Planner have to use the Excel, so lead to the stock discrepancy with difficulty tracking the expiry date of the materials, and also limited visibility of order priorities. So without the real-time data, it was really hard to respond quickly to change lah.
After attending Monitor Academy, we discovered many underutilized functions. We began customizing transport labels, exploring agent task functionality, and using dispatch reporting. These improvements gave us clearer visibility of part availability and delivery status. ERP makes our operation more visual and accessible. Information can be retrieved with just a few clicks.
THP Medical is Malaysian only halal medicated plaster manufacturer. We started our operation in 2018 with GMP, ISO 13485 and the halal certifications. Our core brand NEOBUN and Top Plus has also been in the market for about 35 years. As of current now, it's the Malaysian #1 plasters. We are moving upstream from trading to production for better control over quality, costs, and innovations.
For last year, we really achieved the 100% on-time standing delivery.
Monitor ERP provide real-time 的 financial data， 让我们能容易的分析 P&L， 然后查找花费的来源，还有计划我们的 cash flow。 然后我们的 budget 会比较准确。
Saya rasa sangat baguslah Monitor ERP ni sebab saya boleh tengok setiap planning, setiap data yang dapat maklumat yang tepat dan terkini lah.
Actually, compared to the manual Excel, usually I took about 2 weeks to 3 weeks. But using the monitor, one day I can check everything already.
We choose Monitor ERP because it is a manufacturing-focused ERP, strong capability in production planning, costing, and inventory control. User-friendly for shop floor adoption, a modern initiative interface compared to traditional systems. All the forecasts, all the planning come together working as one. Of course, our customer feel more trustworthy to us and also much more happier. And then they have a better control on their own inventory as well.
Moving forward, we're focusing on digitalizations, lean management, and automations.
So, as a regulated manufacturer, we need real-time data, full traceability, better planning accuracy, a stronger operation discipline. Monitor ERP address these needs.
And we believe our collaborations with Monitor ERP will continue to grow stronger.